Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E15 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's stop. Here you've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 36 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You can check some further details by tapping inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example settings, phones or contacts, just tap on the app. And again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.